Thank you, everybody. I'm very happy and energetic with your good responses, best responses. I got some beautiful videos where you tried to do your best. I appreciate your practice. I appreciate your try. I appreciate you, whatever you did. So, the motto of me is to make you feel proud of yourself. Hillol means movement with rhythm, but movement is priority, perfection is not. So if you're a non-dancer, if you love to dance, if you want to move your body, you can practice Hillol. We don't need any perfection, okay? So what I want to say today that I got some videos and I got some comment also that you want me to do a complete video, right? What we did on the last two consecutive episodes, the upper body and lower body. So today I'm going to show you, make you dance with me with a complete track, I will say, okay? So let's try, let's do it, let's groove with music. Don't concentrate, don't panic that you can't do it. You can do it. Just move your body. That is our goal. So, we did a track, right? We tried it. So, what I will say, I can see the energy flowing from within. I can grab the energy. I know you can say the space is so good. I'm getting lots of positive energy, positive vibes, everything. So what I will say, I'm sharing my good vibes with you all. Be energetic, be positive, start practicing if you're not doing it. Always make a video of yourself to check your progress, okay? And if you want, definitely you can send it me. You can see my number scrolling down. And one thing I will say, practice. If you practice twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times like this, it will make you a pro, which you can try. That is up to you, okay? I also practice every day and try to make myself better. With that word, you can try, okay? So this is Coach Shora signing off for today. Subscribe my channel and comment. Give a like if you like my videos, so that I can provide you more positive vibes and good and n number of good videos that will make you feel good and make you fit. Wish you a good luck, a healthy lifestyle, a positive vibes. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.